Leader, presided by the Rules Committee. And in the RB 87, syempre alam natin that is an amendment to our Constitution. So if you are going to apply yung sinasabi natin dun sa rules natin, so syempre Mr. Chair, Mr. Majority Floor Leader, may rules tayo on the committee level noong pag-uusapan nating topic. So, naguguluhan ako, Mr. Chair, kung ano bang ginagawa natin ngayon? Parang constituent assembly ba ito? O just simple committee hearing with as committee of the whole? So, ganon. Kasi, Mr. Chair, yung RB 87 ay marami siyang topic. So, if we are going to have a committee hearing on a certain a bill or resolution, di ba nakalagay dun sa rule natin, nakalagay po sa Constitution, Article 6, Section 26, Paragraph 1 ng 1987 Constitution, every bill passed by the Congress shall embrace only one subject which shall be expressed in title thereof. Kasi yung RB 87 natin, Mr. Chair, aside from sinasabi nating economic provisions, may nakikita tayo dito na hindi rin namang iba rin yung topic. Like for example, on education, on advertisement, etc. So ano po ba yung naggagabay sa atin? So I think na tayo dito para na tayong nagko-constituent assembly. Kung gano'n ang mangyayari, kasi meron tayong 3 topic. So could you enlighten this representation, Mr. Chair, about the procedure that we are undergoing, Mr. Chair. Kaya nga po, yun yung sinasabi natin kanina. Kaya matter of talaga ito, matter of yung procedure natin as against dun sa Constitution. Kasi sanay tayo kapag committee, pag nagdi-discuss tayo ng anumang amendments or anumang whatever bill or resolutions, di ba, merong one topic per bill or resolution. One topic per bill or resolution. Kasi may 3 dito na pinag-uusapan natin, Mr. Chair. So ang ibig bang sabihin yan, without us knowing na kino-convert natin itong committee of the whole na pinamumunuan ng Rules Committee ng parang constituent assembly na tayo. So kung ganon, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chair, so we might as well sabihin na natin talaga kung ito ba ay constituent assembly or just a simple committee. Kasi pag committee, mag-apply yung rule natin na one bill, one topic, di ba? So meron tayong andaming topic dito sa RB 87. So yun yung kino-question ko doon, Mr. Chair, sa procedural. So we should be we should be frank to us kung ito ba ay kino-convert na natin talaga sa Constituent Assembly or just a committee hearing. Kung committee hearing lang dapat, kung committee hearing ito, dapat one topic, one.